Hey Libra, this is Sai. Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be doing a reading for all that you need to know about your person, relating that you are Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and not. No, this is general reading, and may or may not resonate with every one of you. Some of you might be doing really well in your connections. If you guys are doing well, then please do not have to focus on tarot. Just stay focused on your life. Okay. So let's start. All that you need to know for the next 10 to 15 days. So right now, for many of you with Ten of Wands, you guys going to be very stressed right now. You want to give up on something, but you are not yet completely in that zone. So I believe that you guys are just staying away from drama. Okay, even if you have to, keep yourself together. Hold yourself together. You guys do not feel it like you used to for this connection or for this person or for this job that you're doing, whatever you might be stressed out about. Okay, you are not really in that vibe anymore. Top card, we have Eight of Cups. Emotionally also, I feel you guys are distant. Okay, you guys feel like this person will keep coming back to you and keep going away. So you do not know whether you should put in that hard work or whether you should just give up or whether you should just stay away. Okay, one more card. What's coming towards Libra? With Two of Wands, majorly you guys are at crossroads. Okay. A bottom card, yes, in the past you guys did have those crazy feelings for them, but right now you do not know what to feel, how to feel, whether you should feel or whether you should give up. Top card, we have Knight of Cups. Many of you guys could be waiting on this person to reach out or possibly apologize for whatever shit that they have put you through. I do not know if they will. One more card in terms of what's the overall energy gonna be for Libra in terms of relationship. With a magician card, regardless if you're wanting the past person or not, I see you guys doing well emotionally. Okay, right now you might be stressed out and really feeling heavy. Okay, not just stressed out but feeling heavy. But in the coming days, do see you guys getting a lot of attention. If it's not from the past person, then from someone new. Okay, top card we have is King of Cups, which tells me that many of you guys will be getting attention from a new sign altogether. Either it could be water or fire. Okay, in terms of what to expect, Libra, what to expect for the next 10 to 15 days. Yeah, with the Fool card, I do see you going smooth forward. Okay, I don't see you being so worried or having anxiety or stressed out. No, right now you may be, but in the coming days, I see things going with the flow. Okay, top card with the Moon card. Right now you may be having fears, anxiety, doubts. That's part of life, right? Some days are good, some days are bad. So don't really give into it. Just stay focused on yourself. Okay, in terms of your connection. In terms of a connection with Three of Pentacles, many of you guys could be in talking terms with your person. If not in talking terms, like you have some bits of contact. Okay, in the past as well, this person could have come and possibly given you attention, but it wasn't much. Even now, I feel like it's not like things are completely silent. You guys could have spoken at least once or twice this month. Okay, like July, I'm talking about, or maybe the last part of June. One more card in terms of person, what's the energy towards Libra? We have Queen of Pentacles, so they do think about you. Okay, new or old. With Queen of Pentacles, this person is concerned about you. They could have reached out. For many of you, I see this person having reached out past. For many of you, past week. Okay, and this person did show you their concern that they are bothered about you. Okay, top card we have Page of Cups, so some of them could also have been sweet towards you. Okay, in terms of how do they think about you now? With Queen of Wands, with Queen of Wands, this person is thinking very much sexually about you. Like they are very much, like thinking about all the things that they want to do to you physically. Okay, but the problem is some of you, this person could also be doubting that you are already doing someone else, like you have some other option. Like they have serious doubts that you are doing someone else. Okay, for many of you with Three of Wands and Queen of Wands in the reverse, they think that you are being secretive, but at the same time you are having someone in your life who you are not wanting to share about. Okay, they have doubts about it in terms of how they want to come forward. How is this person wanting to come forward towards Libra? With King of Cups, this person does want to behave this time. If they left you out in the cold, they are possibly trying to come back. They are trying to make up for whatever they have done to you. I mean, not like completely, but in some which capacity they will behave sweet. Okay, in terms of their feelings towards Libra now. Crazy shit. The Hierophant card. When you have taught this person a lot, regardless if you wanted to intentionally, unintentionally, whether you this was just a third party, whether this was situationship, it doesn't matter. You have always been that source of awareness to them. You have taught them a lot about relationships, love, whatever that is. Okay, they look up to you. Okay, with Six of Cups, this person is very much in their feelings right now. Okay, in terms of why is the Hierophant here? In terms of, does this mean marriage, or is it something else? The Knight of Swords. So this person could be giving you hints about wanting to get married to you, or wanting to have a family with you, or wanting to see where things could go with you. But it won't be direct. Okay, it would be indirect. Where this person gives you hints about, something, relationships, future, kids. Out of nowhere, this person might be sharing cute pictures or some memes or something to do with kids, or something to do with marriages. Okay, with the Hanged Man, this person is going to wait for your reaction, but it won't be direct. It would very much be indirect. Okay, in terms of their heart space, how do they feel for you now, Libra? Heart space, we have Three of Swords. Okay, and we have Eight of Pentacles. So whatever they have made you go through, they are wanting to work on that. They are wanting to possibly put in efforts into getting back with you. Okay, for many of you, I could assure you this much, that you will get communication, and not just that, this person is going to behave even sweet with you. Like out of nowhere, this person is not going to make sense. Like they've always been rude, or possibly empty, or possibly heartless, detached, and out of nowhere they are warm and kind and sweet. Okay, in terms of their headspace, with Five of Cups, this person misses you a lot. Okay, whether you are in front of them or not, this person misses you a lot, and they really wish to restart or possibly work things with you so that this moves forward. In terms of what do they want with Libra now? What does this person want with Libra? Okay, that's crazy. So for many of you, with Nine of Pentacles in the reverse and Seven of Cups in the reverse, if this person has put you through a third party, or they kept you as a side option, or they possibly cheated on you to choose someone else or something like that, they are wanting to work things out. See, some of you, I'm getting a clear cut message here, that if it's a new or a past doesn't really matter, but one who wanted to stay single or not wanting to give you commitment is wanting a relationship with you. One who had a lot of other options and just kept you at the sides, or wasn't really giving you attention, will start giving you attention. And with Ten of Swords, someone who did you bad, like really hurt you, put you through a third party, put you through a lots of shit, like literally betrayed you. Even that asshole is wanting to come back. Okay. So in terms of their intention, however, what do they want with Libra? We have King of Wands. Okay, which speaks about them wanting to take action, them wanting to be around you, them wanting to be physically involved with you. Okay, sexually involved with you, with the Strength here. Okay, one more card. In terms of what efforts are they wanting to put towards Libra this time? With Queen of Cups, lots of quote cards today. With Queen of Cups here, this person is wanting to some which capacity express their feelings. Okay, you know that this person has feelings, however they haven't really been vocal about it or very expressive about it. Okay, in terms of what can Libra expect from this individual for the next 10 to 15 days? Okay, someone who's been hiding from you, someone who's been running from you, someone who hasn't been giving you the attention you deserve is going to start giving you that attention. But please be mindful, if someone has put you through a third party, Note whether they are completely out of it. Do not be a part of a third party which is about to end. They give you a lot of bullshit, right? People like that, if they can get you and someone else at the same time, they'll always want to entertain that. Trust me on this. Okay, so if you are part of something that someone is telling you that they haven't come out of it but they are wanting to come out of it, darling, don't listen to that bullshit. Okay, they'll want to keep you at the side and the other person on the side as well. They'll want to enjoy the both of you, and you don't deserve it, neither does the other party. Okay, you know get a confirmation that that shit is over for good, and then and only then can you go back. That is if you're wanting to go back. If you're not, then move forward. I see you getting a lot of attention. Okay, in terms of Libras who are dealing with someone new in their life, but someone has been stalking you crazy, darling. Someone new in your life. We have 10 of cups. This person is so fucking good. Okay, this person is genuinely wanting to work things out with you. Okay, 8 of cups here could mean wanting to walk towards you, not away but towards you. Okay, so some of you, this might be long distance. For those who have recently met someone recently, it could be like couple of months back. This person is definitely wanting to travel, okay, in order to see you or be with you, or some small fucking vacation. Okay, in terms of what do they want to offer versus what they can offer. What they want to offer is marriage, commitment, lifelong partnership. This is what they can offer. What they can offer you is another chance together to possibly work things out. But mind you, for many of you, if someone has been telling you that they are wanting to get rid of a third party to choose you, that shit hasn't ended completely. Definitely they want to choose you, but please be aware that that shit hasn't ended 100%. It's not even at 75, maybe like 60. Okay, top card we have is 7 of Pentacles. Please take more time. Okay, before making or coming to any decision, take more time. Okay, in terms of what's the major blockages this next couple of weeks. Major blockages is someone is not wanting to open up. That could be you. I see a person totally wanting to open up in different ways and poses. Okay, but with King of Swords here, you guys could be behaving very practical, which you should be, and you're just trying to protect yourself. There's no harm in that, right? Top card we have is the Emperor card. So maybe you guys are trying to behave controlling or wanting to come to a solid decision. So you do not want to show that you are affected or bothered. That's right. Okay, that's one way of dealing with a narcissist, right? So yes, in terms of where things will be going from now until the 15th of the month. Ace of Cups. Many of you guys are coming together. Trust me on this. All those who have been following me for a while, you know that when I see aces, I possibly assure you that someone is coming back or someone new is coming into your life. Regardless if it's new or past, I see things working. Okay, one more card. So in terms of love messages, what does Libra need to know? Okay. Self value, know your worth, and add text. That's a straight message. Self value, know your self worth, and add text. Okay, one more card. That's a very direct message to you guys. So what else should Libra be knowing? Okay, we have a second card. Okay, some of you, I believe, might not want your person, but just might only want benefits. Okay, this is a very direct message to Libra. Okay, don't listen to others. You know what's right. Okay, you know what's right, Libra. Your intuition is telling you something. Listen to it. Okay, don't listen to your friend or possibly your ex-partner, ex-wife, someone who does not know what you're going through. Okay, they could be just judging you and giving you a answer. Last message we have for Libra is past life karmic. So you could be dealing with someone who you have already been together in your past life. Okay, and then we have spying on you. Okay, so these are the messages. Okay, and one last card for Libra. Believe, trust, have faith. Okay, so that is all I have for Libra for the next 15 days. If it resonated, everyone hit the like button. Okay, support the channel. Okay, all those who wanting to get a personal reading, please do reach out and book one for yourself. I'm completing the past orders still on them. Things have been a little chaotic in my personal life, so dealing with that shit as well, but I'm getting back to you. Okay, so all those, please know that my waiting period is almost 8 to 10 days. Only if you buy a emergency reading, you're going to get it within 72 hours. Otherwise, there's a waiting phase. Okay, you can't be telling me that, oh, give mine within 2 days, 1 day. That is not going to be possible. Okay, thank you so much. And please support the channel through your likes, comments, subscribes. Okay, every like, every comment, every subscribe counts. Okay, thank you so much. And I hope to see you soon, guys. Cheers.